Welcome to the best picks. The best Philips SH50 is probably one of the most important investments for anyone who uses an electric shaver. Over time, the blades on your shaver head can become dull, leading to a less effective shave and potential skin irritation. In this video, we'll dive into why replacing your Philips SH50 replacement heads is essential for maintaining a close, comfortable shave and how to determine when it's time for a replacement. Number 5. Philips Norelco SH50 52 Shaving Heads. These replacement heads are designed for maximum shaving performance. They are self-sharpening, ensuring a close and comfortable shave. Replace them every 12 months for optimal results. These shaving heads are compatible with Philips Shavers Series 5000 and 6000. They are designed to fit perfectly, ensuring a smooth and efficient shave. You can easily install them. The multi-precision blades ensure a close and comfortable shave. They are designed to capture more hairs in fewer strokes. This will leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. This product replaces older models, offering an upgrade in performance. It is a convenient and cost-effective way to maintain your shaver's performance. It is a great choice for your daily grooming routine. The package includes 3 replacement heads. It is recommended to use cleaning spray HQ110 for care. This will keep them in good condition. What we like. These replacement heads feature multi-precision blades for a close shave. They also have self-sharpening capabilities, ensuring long-lasting performance. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile option that fits a wide range of Philips shavers, this is a great choice. What people say. These make the shaver work like new again. These fit my shaver from over 10 years ago perfectly. The blades do shave better than the used ones I replaced. Number 4. Philips Norelco Series 5000 SH50 Replacement Heads. Introducing the SH50 replacement heads. These blades are designed for a close and comfortable shave. They are compatible with your Philips Norelco shaver. The ultra-thin head design ensures a smooth shave, reaching every contour of your face. It removes your beard gently and painlessly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Replacing the heads is quick and easy, taking only 2 minutes. For optimal performance, add a drop of oil after installation and run for 10 seconds. For the best results, it's recommended to replace the shaving heads every 12 months. This ensures your shaver continues to deliver a superior shave. Each package includes 9 replacement blades. Keep your shaver performing at its best by replacing the blades regularly. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply flip open the head and rinse with water. This keeps the shaver hygienic and ready for your next shave. What we like. This product comes with a 9-piece pack, providing excellent value and longevity. Its ultra-thin head design ensures a close and comfortable shave, and it is easy to replace. If you have a busy lifestyle and want a hassle-free replacement process, this is perfect for you. What people say. Fit perfectly and work very well. Great replacement blades. Shaver is just like it was new again. Easy to replace the old heads. Fit my razor. Works great. Number 3. SH50 replacement heads for Philips Norelco 5000. These SH50 replacement heads are designed for Philips Norelco 5000 series shavers. They fit models like S520581, S521081, and many more. This ensures you get a perfect fit for your shaver. The SH50 replacement heads feature a precision cutting system with a round head design. This design allows it to capture more hairs and provide a close and comfortable shave. It ensures a smooth shave every time. These replacement blades use ultra-thin heads to lift and cut both long and short hairs. This technology allows it to shave quickly and comfortably. You will experience a more efficient shave. After installing the blades, add a tiny drop of baby oil to each head and run the shaver for 10 seconds. This will help the shaver run smoothly. It will also extend the life of the blades. The package includes replacement blade heads, not the entire head. The blade head is vital for superior cutting performance. This ensures you get the best possible shave. Each package includes 3 SH50 replacement heads and a cleaning brush. This gives you everything you need to maintain your shaver. It's a complete solution for your shaving needs. What we like. The precision cutting system and ultra-thin head ensure a quick and comfortable shave. It also includes a cleaning brush for easy maintenance. If you like a clean and smooth shave with easy maintenance, you should consider this. What people say. My morning shave went from 4 to 5 minutes down to maybe 1 minute. Super easy and fast to install. The first few uses have provided a nice close shave. Number 2. SH50 replacement heads for Series 5000 shavers. These SH50 replacement heads are designed to fit perfectly with your Series 5000, AquaTouch, and PowerTouch shavers. They are compatible with a wide range of models, ensuring a seamless replacement experience. Specifically, this product works with models like IT750, PT731, S5120, and many more. Check the full list to ensure it's the right fit for your shaver. This makes it easy to find the right replacement. The replacement blades feature a 360-degree design, ensuring a close and comfortable shave. The dual precision cutting system with lift and cut technology helps to trim even the most difficult areas. These replacement heads offer the same high quality as the original blades. You can expect a super comfortable and close shave, just like when your shaver was new. Replacing the heads is simple. Just remove the old ones and insert the new SH50 replacement blades. After installation, add a drop of oil to each nozzle and run for 10 seconds for optimal performance. For the best results, replace the SH50 replacement heads every 6 months. This will help maintain the performance and ensure a consistently smooth shave. What we like. These replacement heads feature a 360-degree design for comprehensive coverage. The dual precision cutting system ensures a close shave. If you have sensitive skin and need a shaver that can reach all areas, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to install, work very well. Perfect fit. Super quality. Fits perfectly. Nice shave again. Number 1. Gleway SH50 replacement heads. Are you looking for a better shave? These replacement heads are designed to fit your Series 5000 shaver. They offer a comfortable and close shave. These SH50 replacement heads are compatible with a wide range of Norelco Series 5000 shavers. They also fit several Series 3000 and 4000 models. Check the list to see if it works for you. The blades use a double precision cutting system. This technology provides a 360-degree shave without missing any spots. The blades are also skin-friendly. Enjoy a quick and painless shave with these sharp blades. You won't have to worry about the blades pulling or irritating your skin. It's a comfortable experience. Replacing the head is simple and takes just a minute. For the best results, add a drop of oil after installation. It is recommended to replace them every 12 months. The package includes 6 replacement heads and 2 brushes. Gleway offers lifetime support and friendly service. Please note that the shaver itself is not included. What we like. This product comes in a 6-pack, offering great value. The double precision cutting system ensures a close shave. It is also easy to install. If you are looking for a cost-effective and easy-to-use replacement head, this is the one for you. What people say. The blades give a nice close shave. New heads seem to be quieter and cut more efficiently than I was anticipating. It was very good quality, sharpness. Cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.